This video is just going to be a short announcement that I finally published my first class on Skillshare. And I'm so excited to share the class with you and start teaching on Skillshare, which is a great online platform for learning new skills, following classes of different subjects taught by experts from around the world. And I look forward to share my knowledge and help others growing in their creative journey. My first class is about learning to draw flowers by analyzing different shapes of petals flowers, how to add details and break down flowers into simple shape to then drawing them in a more realistic way. I will leave the link to my class in the description if you're interested to check it out. I really hope you will find my class helpful, and I would love you to join my class, and yeah, I will see you there if you're already on Skillshare. But in case you are not on Skillshare yet and you would like to try it for the first time and see if you like it, I will leave a special link in the description where you can try 2 free months of Skillshare membership, so you can watch my class. And if Skillshare is not for you, no problem, and you can cancel the subscription at any time before the 2 months trial, so you won't get charged. And after a couple of weeks, I'm so happy my class is finally ready to share, and I plan to share more classes and teach on other subjects on Skillshare, like painting with gouache. But for now, I hope my first class goes well, and I will be back uploading videos on my channel. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye!